It is said that four wheels move the body, but two wheels move the soul. Now what exactly it is about these two wheels that move us so much? On motorcycles, the journey is not about commuting. It is really about riding. Each time is like the first time. The build-up of the level of anticipation makes each time you sit on a motorbike and head out an occasion. It seems to fulfill an unquenched thirst of self-satisfaction. A Sunday morning ride is more stress-relieving than a boxing bag could ever be. You see, you're not exactly venting your frustrations on a bag that won't retort. You take your bike out and push it to the limit. You do not abuse it, and then she pushes you to the same limit each time, making you understand how it feels. A motorcycle can give you the feels, and anything that can bring out the emotions in you signifies an eternal bond. We hate them sometimes for breaking down, riding rough, not sheltering us in the rains, and all that. But we go through it all, on and on. For when the sun shines, as it eventually will, we see the light together. We feel free. Sure, there's only a small lot that understands this emotion. It is not sorrow as it is not joy. It is simply something else, and those who feel it are a brotherhood on the lookout for each other. Everything has its pros and cons, just like motorcycles, but the relationship between the ride and the rider comes with no obligations, no expectations, and no drama. It is just about going out there together and making each other feel better. The motorcycle eventually becomes an extension to the rider's body, and together they become one. This is how one body is formed and one soul is moved. We do not expect everybody to understand why we ride or how it is special, because if we had to explain, you would just not understand.